In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sticky text in Framer. Sticky text is perfect for keeping key labels, headings, or calls to action visible while your visitors scroll. We'll use Framer's built-in position controls, and then publish so you can see the change live. Start by opening the popular domain project in Framer. Once your canvas loads, click the highlighted text element you want to keep visible during scroll. You can select it directly on the canvas or in the Layers panel. Either way, make sure you see its properties on the right, so you're editing the correct layer. On the right-hand sidebar, find the Position section and open it. This panel controls how the element sits in relation to its parent frame and the viewport. You might see the current setting as Absolute. Absolute means the element is positioned relative to its nearest positioned ancestor, and it will scroll away with the page. Click that current setting to open the dropdown, then switch it to Fixed. Fixed pins the element to the viewport itself, which is what gives you the sticky behavior as the rest of the page moves underneath. With the element set to Fixed, confirm the highlighted alignment shows it anchored where you want it, typically the top of the viewport for sticky headers. Click the highlighted top pin so it sticks to the top edge. If you're using a left, center, or right alignment, choose the one that matches your layout. The offset values next to these controls represent the distance from the pinned edges, so a top value of 0 means it sits flush with the top of the screen. This is helpful when you want a bit of breathing room. For example, nudging it a few pixels down to avoid overlapping a nav bar. Also keep in mind that fixed elements appear above scrolling content. If anything seems hidden behind other layers, that's usually due to stacking order, not the sticky setting itself. When you're happy with the setup, go to the top right corner of Framer and click Publish. In the Publish dialog, click Update to push your changes to the live preview. After the update completes, open your published link and scroll the page. You should see the text remain in place, exactly where you pinned it, while the content beneath continues to move. That's all you need to create sticky text in Framer. Select the text, set position to Fixed, confirm the top pin, and publish your changes.